Welcome to MojisStyle Plus.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some DIY glam home decor ideas using Dollar Tree items. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching. This was inspired by my last mirror decor here, and for the first one we're going to be making a mirrored tray candle holder. So here are the items that I'm using for that. So here is the foam board that I'll be using. I went ahead and I just cut out my foam board to fit the two mirrors that I'll be using. And then I just kind of cut out the excess foam board that I had. Next, I'll be applying some hot glue onto the back of my mirror. And I'm going to just go ahead and place that onto the foam board. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that for the second mirror also. Next, I'm placing my picture frames onto my mirror. I'll be using 8 of them. So I'm just placing them to have an idea of how I want it. And then I'll be using hot glue to secure that into place. So all I'm doing here is just applying some hot glue onto the back of that frame. And I'm placing it right onto my piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this for all the picture frames that I have here. And right now I'm just cleaning out all the excess like glue on the piece. Next we're placing the top picture frames, which I'm placing 4 of them on the top. And that is where our glass candle holder will be placed. So all I'm doing here is applying some hot glue to the bottom and the top only. And I'm placing that right where I want it positioned. So again, the hot glue is going only to the top and the bottom. And I am just placing that right in the center. And next I'm placing my glass candle holder here onto my piece. So all I'm doing here is applying some hot glue, and I'm placing that right where I want it positioned. So I did that for all 4. And here's the final result of the first DIY. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. It is stunning. It looks like something from like Pier 1 or Z Gallery. And this is so beautiful. Like, it's a lot better than the traditional trays that you put on your coffee table. It is something different, and I always love when something is different and unique. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Would you try this? I did order the picture frames online. I couldn't find it in the store, so it came 24 in a pack if you would like to know that. So let's go ahead and get started with our second DIY here. So for this, we'll be making 3 candle holders. I'm using this Tealight candle holder, a napkin ring, and a glass candle holder. So all I did here is just apply hot glue to the candle holder and onto the glass. And for the second one, we're repeating the same steps, applying hot glue to our piece, and we're placing the glass candle holder on top. And for the third one here, I'm using 2 of the napkin rings in between my piece here, and then we're gonna just go ahead and place our glass candle holder on top of that. And And here's the final result of our second DIY. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section. Let me know if this is something that you would try. I think this is beautiful. It's very summery, very light, and I just love the way it turned out. I just placed it on a tray just to kind of show you guys how to style it. You can place it on your coffee table tray. You could place it wherever you want, in your bedroom, in your bathroom. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. So let's go ahead and get started with our third DIY. So for the third one, I used the same glass candle holder over a Tealight candle holder, and I used 3 different heights of the Tealight candle holder, and it was pretty simple. It's that easy, guys. And I used hot glue to secure it into place, and I placed a napkin ring in the middle there instead of painting it. That is a brilliant idea, and it just turned out so beautiful. This was super easy. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know which one you would recreate for your home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love for you to join the MojisStyle family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye bye.